guys, it's your girl Kimmi. What's going on? What's up? What's up? Today we are using ChatGPT. This is all part of my series, how to use ChatGPT to better your life, better your business. Today we're talking about how to use ChatGPT for a marketing proposal. You mean I want to get that cleaning contract over there and I got to write a proposal? Yes, you don't just call and say, hey, I want to work for you. Typically, they want something in writing. And writing proposals may not be your jam, but that's okay because whose jam is it? ChatGPT. But you got to know how to do what? All about that prompt, about that prompt. So I'm going to give you some ways to prompt today on and write a marketing proposal that will get you the job. Okay? When it comes to writing a strong marketing proposal, I'm going to tell you what you need and then how to tell chat what you need. Okay? Because if you don't understand why you're asking chat these things, you ain't gonna know what to do. You ain't gonna know what to, I could give you the prompt, but you need to understand the behind the scenes. So take a few minutes and listen. I'm dropping gems. Okay, so first of all, you want to show your client that you understand what they need. So for example, it may be a cleaning proposal, a cleaning contract. You want to let the person that's hiring you or offering you the job, the contract, you want to let them know, hey, I understand that you need 50 offices cleaned, okay? I understand that you need them cleaned between this time and that time. I understand whatever it is that you understand about what it is that they need based on what they've told you. So now I'm going to take what I understand about the company and I'm going to put that in ChatGPT. Write me a proposal for getting this cleaning contract based on the client needing it to be done 7 days per week, after hours, and this is their budget. Whatever. I will supply the cleaning supplies or whatever you want to include in it. Okay. So you're letting the ChatGPT what you need, let chat know what you need rather. And then it's based on what your client is telling you that they need. Okay. Based on if y'all had a phone conversation, if you saw an ad written somewhere, you take what you know about them, and then we're gonna put that in chat. The next thing is, what is your solution to getting it solved for them? So you're going to tell ChatGPT. So you've already told it to write out a basic scope based on your understanding. Now you're going to tell ChatGPT, write me a solution to this client's problem. Okay? Write me a solution. So the problem may be I have 50 offices that need to be cleaned. How are you going to solve that problem? I have a team of 5 people. Or I have a team of 10 people. Or I have my own team. You may not want to give a number to it because they may think, well, she only got 5 people, she can't do it. Or she only has 10 people, she can't do it. But just say I have a team. And then now we're going to get ChatGPT to clean it up for us, though, when it comes to writing the actual proposal. That's the whole point. We're using the right prompt to get chat to write it out for us. Because again, that may not be your forte. If you don't write a good proposal and people don't think you know what you're talking about, they're not going to hire you. They're not. So that's why I'm here teaching you how to use ChatGPT and how to get the right prompt to get it to give you the information that you need. Okay. The next thing is the timeline. You want to show the person that you're hiring what timeline. Tell them that. Okay. So for example, if this needs to be done within a daily cleaning, then you're going to put that in there. Whatever product or service you have, you only know that. I don't. Okay, this is just a generic. But if it's a cleaning contract, that's what we're working on supposing right now, and they need it 7 days a week, I will be in here Monday through Friday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. or whatever time you come up with. And then we're going to put that in chat and we're going to ask chat, hey, rewrite this timeline for me to make it make sense, to make it sound more professional, to go along with the overall proposal. You can just keep adding these different sentences and then chat at the end will give you one proposal. Okay. The next thing is when it comes to pricing the services. So there needs to be a pricing section when it comes to writing your proposal. What is your proposed fee that you're going to be charging? And here again, you're going to ask ChatGPT, what's the industry standard for where I live at in Atlanta, Georgia, when it comes to cleaning contracts of a office space of 50 buildings? It has some information on file. It's going to go out there, search it, pull it, and bring it back for you. So this is why you need to know how to prompt chat. You need to know why you're asking chat. And then you'll have a beautiful proposal to present in the end. Okay? So next thing is call to action again. So you've got all these different things that you've researched. You put it in chat. You get that proposal written. Now you want to ask for the business. So you're going to tell chat, write a call to action, CTA, for this owner of this company to hire me instead of someone else. And then chat's going to look at everything that's in the proposal. They're going to come up with a nice phrase, a nice sentence. And then next steps. You want to include that too. What are the next steps? So you always want to tell the person that you're getting ready that you're offering to do work for, what are their next steps? What do they look forward to? What are you going to be doing? My next steps may look like I will be purchasing the supplies. And this is just random, okay? I'll be purchasing the supplies. I'll be coming to meet your team. I'll be coming to do whatever. And then you're going to type all of this into chat as short as you can. And chat's going to clean it all up for you. That's what I like to say. ChatGPT gonna clean up that whole proposal for you. So yes, it may take you 5 or 10 minutes to get it together, but then chat gonna clean it up for you. It's gonna look so professional. And then what's the last thing we gonna always do? Are we just gonna take that proposal and just mail it off? Email it? We gonna reread it and make sure it makes sense. Make it make sense. So your proposal should include all those different things that I just included. It should include the person's problem, that you understand it. How are you going to fix it? What's your timeline to fix it? What's your pricing structure? How are you going to price it? Your call to action, and what's your next steps, okay? So when you're doing all of that, then yes, you too will have a marketing proposal that will get you business. For all things Kreators Klub, you want to know about how to start an ebook, how to start a membership, whatever it is that you're interested in starting in this digital space, how to start a podcast, a blog, YouTube channel, I got you covered. Check it out at kreatorsklubwithkimmi.com. All courses are 60% off. Use coupon code WIN2025. Okay? Until next time, guys. Bye.